Welcome to my channel. Making 2 to 5 euro a day has become very easy. Welcome to my channel. My name is Michael Ogiba. A quick video on this platform, this amazing app that gives me 2 to 5 euro on a daily basis. I'm going to walk you guys through what we do here to earn this amount on a daily basis. Now, this is the current balance, and this is absolutely free. Absolutely free. You can do this for free and you can earn it faster with your phone if you activate properly. So now, like I said in my previous video, Fuga is an ad watching system where you ad on a daily basis. There's a video for that. I'm going to put that video in the description of this video. So now, what we do here is just 1 minute to 4 minutes tax of yourself a day, and it doesn't take time. So let's go to tax for the day and see how much you earn. So for ordinary members who have no fund in the account, this is where you have to click. For those who have fund, VIP1 is $100. You click that and for you to get your tax, you click that. And what do? We waited for it to load. These are tags. I'm going to do a YouTube tags, and this is it. You click this, you say tags, take tags successfully, click confirm. You can click another one. Let me do, because you have 3 tags for yourself in a day, and this is the third one. And each of these tags here has, this is their percentage for these tags. Or if you do 10, this is what you get. And imagine when you do this in daily basis, and the minimum withdrawal is 10 euro. You know what it means, guys. So you go back, you go to record here, you click record, and all the tasks that you have selected for the day will be waiting, lying up for you here. So now when you come here, what do? You just go to visit the link here. When you click on visit the link, now you just like the video.
Nails grow very slowly, almost 2.5 millimeters a month. If you lost your fingernail, it would take 3 to 6 months to grow back, and almost 18 months for your toe. Nails grow very slowly, almost 2.5 millimeters a month. If you lost your fingernail, it would take 3 to 6 months to grow back, and almost
back again. You go backward to the app. So when you get to the app, this is the app. You wait for it to load. The first one that you already selected that takes you to this place now is what you're going to fill in there. You go back to your record again. You click on this photo icon here. Select the photo icon from your screenshot on your phone. Just do this on your phone on a daily basis. So you click it here, and when it gets there, what do? You just click on submit here, and you are done that first task for the day. You click it, and you see one has gone for processing, and then you visit the second one too. The second one, it takes you minimize that page and go to the app himself directly. When you get there, you wait for it to load again. You go back again to that same place at that same time, and you upload that. You do that for these 3 tags in a day. When it's confirmed, you can come back few hours and check your balance, and you'll be shocked that your balance is now, at least you have earned 1 to 2 of that euro on a daily basis. You click here where the photo is, you select here, you can delete it after you have submitted it and it's approved. Click it here, and you just click submit, and that is all. We have done 2. This is the last one. You click here again, visit.
Ready for my nail appointment. Tammy definitely got a treat at the end. Ready Ready for my nail appointment. Tammy.
You go back to the app again, you submit. You understand? You just go back there, you submit, and that's it. Just submit it. And when you submit it, you wait for it to load. So you submit it and you are done for the day. It doesn't take away so much of your time. So you click on the photo icon here. Photo icon there. When you click on the photo icon there, you wait for it to load. You pick the particular picture you just like and screenshot. The last one is this. Just do that. And what do? You can see the picture has appeared here. Then the next is to click submit, and you click submit, and boom, you are done for the day. So let's see if my balance has reflected. It has not reflected yet, but I tell you, when it's approved, my next video you will see that this balance is increased. So guys, this is how to earn free roll on a daily basis. If you want to activate, simple as ABCD. You have the deposit button here on the home page. You understand? On the home page you can see the deposit button here on the home page here. Then you click it. When you click it, it will ask you to put in the amount, and the best mode of payment is USDT TRC20. You can put in the amount you want to put, and there's card here, but I prefer you use USDT TRC20. So let's just say we are putting, let's say we are putting 100, let's say we are putting 30. Now say USDT. So you do that and you wait for it to load. Fine. You see you are paying 33 because of the gas fee, and this is your time countdown, and this is the wallet address. You can either scan this scan code and you just push in that 30 there. So it's not a must that you must do 100. You can do below. They have one you can afford. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. You can still do your diligence before you invest into this platform. So you get the address and then send it to the address. You are sending 33.60 cents because their gas fee is attached to it. So that is just it, and after that you are good to go, and you'll be running on the VIP plan for a $100 VIP plan. So this is where you'll be at that time, and that is how to earn. So this is how I earn freely, and this is how to earn with your phone on this amazing platform. The app is amazing, and I recommend you to plug in and maximize it. I have done a video, exclusive video, explain how it works, how you need to earn, what you need to do. Just this one I'm telling you now how to do the tax is all you need to do. So guys, if you find this video helpful, I'll be very glad for you to share it, like, and expecting your comment. The link to get on board is going to be in the description of this video, and my WhatsApp number to the video. You can send me a message. You want to chat with me, have a discussion with me, or ask me further questions. I'll be very happy to attend to you. I love you so much. The bell icon is very helpful, and the subscriber button is your friend. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.